Hello friends, my name is Carlos. I am from buywell.es, and in today's video I am going to explain how to insert an Excel from Google Sheet into WordPress without having to use any plugin. Before entering everything you tutored, I appreciate it if you like the video, give a like, subscribe, and activate the bell for notifications. Also, leave doubts or questions in the comments and share on social networks. How do we insert the Excel sheet into WordPress? First, go to WordPress, to our Excel sheet, okay? And then we're going to go here to File, Sharing, Publish on the Web, and we're going to go Insert. Okay, here, if we had multiple documents defined, if we wanted to select the entire document, we would select them here. In my case, I am going to select the Excel sheet that has August as its title, okay? And here too. Here the entire document, and here we can activate this option that if we make changes to the table in the Excel sheet, they will also be applied to us on the web, okay? So once we have this selected, we come here and copy the iframe, okay? And now I'm going to do it with elements, but for example, with Gutenberg, with bricks, with Divi, any theme designer that has a lot of HTML. Are you going to let us do that? So I'm going to look for the HTML Witcher. Okay, here I have it. Okay, I paste it and update. Okay, and if now I go to my page and update, let's hope it loads us. Okay, it would load us here the Excel table that we want. For example, we are interested in the top of the table. Yes, higher, worth the redundancy. Well, we are going to do this with a small CSS code. What are we going to do? We come here where we have the HTML defined, okay? And here, between the iframe and the src, we are going to define a class, for example, class equal quotes, I close quotes, okay? And here we are going to define a height. Oh, sorry, here we are going to define the name of the class, for example, Alto Excel, okay? And here they are going to make a space, okay? And then we are going to go to advanced and here in custom CSS. In case you are not, for example, I am doing it with a pro element, but if you work with another layout designer with Gutenberg, you can define the attributes of the class in custom appearance. Let's see if it charges. Look, I'm going to do it from here. Okay, those of you who have Elementor Pro can define it here. And those of you who have another designer, in reality, any layout maker will surely allow you to define the CSS attributes in the same widget. Okay, but if I tell you high Excel or square brackets here, and give you a height for the center of 500 pixels. Okay, and publish the changes. Okay, here I update. Okay, if I now come here and update to show the table at a high of 500 pixels. Okay, there you have it. Okay, there you have the table at 500 pixels. Okay, well, it's that easy. You can insert a Google Excel table into your WordPress without having to use my microphone. I hope you liked the video that helped you. It was like that. Remember to like it. Subscribe to the channel. Activate the bell to receive notifications of future videos. Doubts and questions in the comments. See you in future videos. See you later.